Let's take a look at what happened with Tesla today. So we are down 10 cents. It's only 10 cents, 0.03%, closed at 355.84. Post-market, we are at 355.55. Let's take a look at what this means on the chart. Well, guess what? Remember, we had a resistance at 360.65. This was one of the way with which we were identifying noise versus signal. And I mentioned that this is important because not every move up means that the stock is finally going higher. It does not mean that. If we go in the past, we can find moves up that did not yield much. It was still coming lower afterwards. So it's not because a stock has a nice green candle after a red that boom, it's going away. It's going super high. It does not mean that at all. So it is very important to identify what is noise, then what is signal, as I said yesterday. We have the confirmation today. So far today, it could change tomorrow. I'm not predicting the future. I'm extrapolating the present. And presently, in the present right now, we are still into a congestion zone between 326.34 and 360.65. This is the congestion zone that we are in. So this is just noise. We can go up and down into that zone without it meaning anything. For us, if we start closing higher than 360.65, then this is going to start to mean that, okay, this is more than just noise. This is a move up that is significant enough in terms of its momentum and also in terms of its previous resistance at 360.65 means that buyers don't have to pay higher than 360.65 in order to get a share. This is the state of the market. This is how the market as a whole is pricing Tesla stock. It's pricing it below 360.65. This is the decision of millions of people. This is like a survey. At what price would you be willing to buy a Tesla share? At what price would you be willing to sell a Tesla share? We could be sending out a survey every single day. And we would need people to answer the survey. We would need to look at the results. We don't have to do that. We have the actual transactions right here. So we see that people don't have to pay higher than 360.65 because there are enough sellers that are willing to sell lower than 360.65 for the amount of buyers that want to buy. Yeah, so far we are still in a noise region. When we are going to break 360.65, then we are going to start thinking that, okay, this can be significant and this could indicate that we are moving higher. But right now, thanks to our resistance line right here, we did not buy something that was not really going higher. It could change its mind and go higher next week. It could do that, but right now, and if it does that next week, then we can get in next week. But at least we did not go in for nothing on the daily chart. Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart. So the way it happened today, so we opened at 360.49, just below. Some people had to pay higher, but then supply came in, boom, the price went down. Then buyers came in, but not enough buyers to push it back up to 360.65. So sellers are not stopping selling. So unless they stop selling relatively compared to the buyers, then this won't go any higher. Let's take a look at the VIX. So when the VIX is going down, stock market is going up. VIX is at 1478. 14, this is very low. This is going to be great. Bonds also falling for 2 days in a row. This is also helping. We love this. Dow Jones still into its triangle right here. Look at the support. We are hugging that support on the lows. We are hugging a little bit less, hugging that resistance on the high. We are stuck between the two. We have made a higher low today, so this is always nice to have a higher low. We did not make a higher high. I guess we cannot have everything with Dow Jones. S&P 500, look at this. We are still outside of this downward channel that we were in. So we love this. So we are maintaining ourselves. I can make this support line now a little bit longer. Size matters. And yeah, this is looking pretty good. We have, a smaller bullish channel right here. Smaller bullish channel. So we have a smaller bullish channel that we are still into. So this is great. NASDAQ, oh boy, look at this. NASDAQ, it's stopping right smack on 122. Cannot make this up. This is just right smack on it. If we continue, if we break that, then we should be going much higher. And then this is going to help. This is an indication that the whole technology market is going higher. Russell, don't invest in small caps yet because this is doing nothing. This is just going sideways. And looking at the market overall, wow. Electronics, technology, this is doing pretty good, but lots of red today, so this is a little bit surprising. And if you are becoming a community member, then you will have access to this YouTube channel, and we have discussions on all of the stocks that we're following right here, and also lots of news that are being pushed automatically to this Discord server, so no more hunting for news. The news are all here. We have Congress member Jeff Gottenheimer dumps NVIDIA, Microsoft loads up on Tesla stocks instead. Okay, this interesting news. Elon Musk pretty sure Tesla isn't getting $400 million sweetheart deal to make armored cars for the US government. This was a contract that was drafted during Biden's era. So we'll see what happens with that. And then apparently State Department revises plan to buy armored Teslas. So basically they have removed the word Tesla from the contract. So they just want to buy armored cars. And there is a police department, this is crazy, taking local Tesla threats seriously. Some Tesla owners in Arcata discovered threatening flyers on their cars stating they need to trade or sell their vehicles by Wednesday, February 12th. We have Hertz that is dumping its Tesla fleet. This has been going on for a while, I think, sending shares tumbling. The shares are not, they tumbled, now they are pretty much going sideways. Elon Musk praises Ray Dalio's Bridgewater for accumulating Tesla stock. So maybe this is what Ray's is doing that we are seeing a little bit. After he is done, maybe this is going to dip again or continue. Nobody knows. A filing from Bridgewater Associates has revealed that the firm added over $62 million worth of stock to its portfolio. And this is not looking too good, but Marjorie Taylor Greene bought Tesla stock after named as chair of Doge subcommittee. If we think about Pelosi, that has been buying shares of many companies and she's making a killing. So I guess this is par for the course. So if you want to join, you need to become a community member. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Tuesday. There's a holiday on Monday. Unless you are a community member, we have a Tesla Weekly Live every single Sunday where we look at Tesla from the weekly chart perspective and also on the monthly chart once a month. So have a great weekend, and I'm going to tell you. So have a great weekend, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.